Industrial HVAC. 1. What are the main components of an industrial HVAC system? The main components of an industrial HVAC system include air handling units, AHUs. These devices circulate and condition air throughout the facility. They typically consist of a fan, a coil, either heating or cooling, and a filter section. Chillers. These devices use a refrigerant to remove heat from air or water, providing cooling. Chillers are often employed in conjunction with AHUs to maintain a comfortable temperature within the facility. Boilers. These devices generate heat by burning fuel, such as gas, oil, or electricity. Boilers are used for both process applications and climate control in industrial settings. Ductwork. This is the network of pipes or channels that transport conditioned air throughout the facility. Ductwork design is a critical aspect of industrial HVAC systems, ensuring efficient airflow distribution and minimizing energy losses. Controls. These are the devices that regulate temperature, humidity, and airflow in an HVAC system. Controls may include thermostats, sensors, and actuators. 2. What are the key design considerations for industrial HVAC systems? The key design considerations for industrial HVAC systems include sizing and capacity determination. Matching the system's capacity to the facility's heating, cooling, and ventilation requirements is essential for optimal performance. Airflow distribution. Ensuring efficient airflow distribution throughout the facility is crucial for preventing areas of excessive heat or cold. Ventilation and air quality management. Adequate ventilation and effective air filtration are essential for removing contaminants and maintaining a healthy indoor environment. Energy efficiency. Selecting energy-efficient equipment and implementing energy-saving strategies are crucial for minimizing operational costs and environmental impact. Maintenance considerations. Regular maintenance and preventive measures are essential for ensuring long-term system reliability and performance. 3. What are the benefits of maintaining an industrial HVAC system? Regular maintenance of industrial HVAC systems provides numerous benefits, including extended system lifespan. Regular maintenance helps to identify and resolve problems early on, preventing premature wear and tear and prolonging the life of the system. Improved energy efficiency. Properly maintained HVAC systems operate more efficiently, consuming less energy and reducing operating costs. Enhanced occupant comfort. Maintaining optimal temperature, humidity, and air quality ensures a comfortable and productive work environment for occupants. Reduced risk of breakdowns. Regular maintenance helps to prevent unexpected breakdowns, minimizing downtime and associated costs. Thanks for listening. Please check description for much more.